Meantime, Sean Diddy Combs will now have to wait just a little bit longer to find out if he's going to be granted bail after another court appearance on Friday wrapped up without a decision. NBC's Chloe Melas was in the courtroom. Chloe, it sounds like it got heated.
It did, and you're right. I was right in there. It lasted for a little over an hour. So the judge wants to wait until next week to render a decision as to whether or not he's going to let Combs out on bail ahead of his criminal trial here in New York in May. So he wants both sides, Combs' legal team and prosecutors, to send him a letter Monday by noon, laying out whether or not they believe Combs has broken any laws while behind bars at that Brooklyn jail, the Metropolitan Detention Center. I want to tell you what they're saying. Prosecutors spent a long time saying that Combs is obstructing justice, and I know, Laura, we've talked a lot about this, from behind bars. They say that he's taking part in these three-way phone calls, which is against the rules there at the jail, and that he's been using other inmates' phone access codes, which is a big no-no. They also say that he has been part of this orchestrating this PR campaign with his family and his team while behind bars, and they point to an Instagram post that you see on the screen. That was earlier this month for his 55th birthday, and you can actually hear him on the phone talking to his family, and they're saying that he's trying to taint potential jurors and prospective jurors for the trial this spring. Now, I want to just point out, Combs' team says that all of this that he's doing, these are minor infractions that lots of inmates take part in behind bars. That's not enough of a reason to keep him in jail ahead of the criminal trial, and that all of the other things like the PR campaign are within his constitutional rights. Now, they also laid out a detailed plan if he were to be released, where there is a chance that the judge could rule that way. They say that Combs will live in an apartment on Manhattan's Upper East Side, have 24-hour security, 3 security guards, 2 in the apartment, 1 in the lobby, that he won't have access to a phone, the internet. He'll only talk to his attorneys and pre-approved family members on a list. And they actually say that he has more free reign in the Metropolitan Detention Center and access to cell phones and things, because there are some issues with keeping those things not in the jail at the detention center. But it seems like the judge is really taking this seriously, the fact that he wants to wait a few days. He asked a lot of questions to both sides, and it's really unclear which way this is going to go.
All right, well, we should find out soon.
Yeah, a lot of folks paying a lot of attention. It's obviously one of the most high-profile inmates in the country right now. Appreciate it, Chloe.
Thanks for following it, Chloe.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.